Welcome in the beautiful Zillertal Arena, one of my favorite areas where I went snowboarding. And this is one of the routes which I will forever remember. We did this route twice actually. One time we just randomly discovered it when we went and got, yeah, we were looking for a toilet actually. And we found this place on another day when it was snowing a lot. So it was truly amazing that we found this area here. And this is one of my favorite areas because it is actually a route which is, let's say, a route which in the Austrian map, the map it shows as a dotted line, which means that it's an official route you can go from, but it is actually on your own risk, and the route actually does not involve a piste or a route which is backed down by a machine or a truck. So it's fully natural. And the day before, as I said, it snowed so much, and we were privileged to go on this route ourselves that day. So we really enjoyed this route so much. You can see there's still some powdery snow left over from the day before, and no one is really taking this route at all, even with this good weather, because the day before when we did it, it was actually recommended not to go on this route because it was, yeah, fresh powder snow. Obviously now it's beautiful, even some blue sky that we can see beneath or above the clouds. So this I did with my two good friends. We had an amazing blast because also this route takes quite a while to run through from the beginning to the end, and there's different types of areas, wide open spaces, more closed spaces, which I will show also a bit later on between the trees. So it was really a nice experience, and I definitely recommend you to do it and find this route, or find any route really which is, let's say, a route which is a dotted line which is not ridden. And as you can see here, the powder was amazing. I was really trying to look for, let's say, that powder which is coming up to your heels, maybe a bit of your chin, or the front part of the bottom part of your leg. I forgot the English word, but anyway, it is an amazing experience. I really enjoyed it. And as a snowboarder, you want to stay as close to the trees as possible because there you have some of the fresh powder snow still. There was so much snow that I had to clean up my lens of my camera a few times just to make sure you can still enjoy it. But yes, definitely recommend. And I was thinking, I have a lot of amazing rides here in the Zillertal, also the Hintertux area, which is an amazing glacier. So many amazing and great routes I did here. Also, this area is quite high up in the mountains, so you have the chance of having some good powder, also having enough snow, and also the snow keeps its quality because it's for sure below freezing. So yeah, definitely recommend going here, and I will for sure in the future come here again because I do really enjoy it too much. And it is quite unique to have a whole area here in the mountains for yourself, especially in a public area where a lot of people can just go easily with the lifts, but not a lot of people dare to take this one because, to be honest, it was quite challenging, but it was not that steep. Just that the terrain was a bit random. You obviously don't know exactly where you're going, but this route is without rocks or anything unsafe technically, so that's why you can take it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of this amazing route with sound, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Tot snel. Zotte snow.
Ja, hier is het altijd wel zompig.
Wat?
Waar gaat hij?
Hier is fucking zwaar.
We zeggen, draag maar een start.